Hello, good afternoon. This is 𝙅𝘼𝙋𝙃𝙄𝙉 from Japhil International Trading Corporation, and today we are here with another episode and another new excavator, which is Sumitomo SH LC-6. This is our fresh import from Japan, and today I'm going to tell you about the specs of this unit and what are the working hours of this unit, and we will also see how it looks like and what is the condition of this unit. Okay, starting from the bucket size, it comes with the 1/4 size of the bucket. You can check the boom, you can check the seals of this unit. I haven't seen any leakages and any damage in this unit. Now check the arm. It has a very long arm, so you can use on your river site and you can use it in your projects. Coming towards the track path of this unit, you can check how thick are these. Can I have a closer look? You can check the under rollers. You can check the undercarriage of this unit, and please also check the sprocket. You see, they are still in very good condition. Now let me tell you about the cameras and about the safety of this unit. This backhoe comes with 3 cameras which give you around 270 degrees of angle. It has one camera on the left side, so if you are on a site and you are using this backhoe, you can check on the monitor screen what's going on your left side. Now come at the back side of this unit. It comes with an alarm and it has a camera as well. Now let me show you what's on the downside. If you check the chassis of this unit, you will not see any kind of leakages in this unit. This is a very fresh unit from Japan. Now let's come towards this side. You can see there is another safety camera, so you can check in the monitor screen. Let me open the... Now can we have a closer look on the pump of this unit? You can see the hoses. You can check all the working. You can check the hydraulic oil. This is still very fresh. Now before I close it, let me tell you about the working hours of this unit. This unit is only used 2,399 working hours in Japan, and it's still available in our yard. You can come visit us if you are looking for any such kind of unit. Thank you so much for now. Take care and bye-bye.